안녕하세요. 오늘의 다육 이야기를 해보겠습니다. 저번 영상에서 제가 가을에 물이 들면 한번 다육이를 더 소개해드리고 싶다고 말씀을 드린 적이 있어요. 그래서 이번에는 이제 좀 물이 든 다육이들을 이름을 알려드리면서 이제 소개를 해보려고 하는데요. 조금 이렇게 다육이를 소개하면서요. 이제 영상을 찍으니까 다육이 이름도 많이 알려드리기도 어렵고, 그리고 다육이를 많이 보여드리기가 어렵더라고요, 시간 안에. 그래서 이번에는 좀 말을 안 하고 다육이만, 온전히 다육이만 보실 수 있게 소개시켜 드리도록 할게요. 한번 가보실까요?
Telling her to calm down. My head in my hands now. Play it back, I still can't seem to figure out. When the rain came and we became a mosaic here on the ground. Baby, I can't seem to trace it. We went from weightless to dragging our feet on the floor, lost in translation. I keep on chasing who we were before. Tell me it's alright. Tell me we're alright. Tell me that you and I have a chance. Oh, tell me it's alright. Tell me we're alright. Swear I traded all to get us back again. Don't know how to talk to you the way that I used to do. Nothing but negative space in our living room. Try to shrug it off, say it's nothing, but we both know that just isn't true. Baby, I can't seem to trace it. This love was sacred, now it's got our knees on the floor, lost in translation. If we're way past saving, then what's it all for? Tell me it's alright. Tell me we're alright. Tell me that you and I have a chance. Oh, tell me it's alright. Tell me we're alright. Swear I traded all to get us back again. Back again. Oh, yeah. Back again. Telling her to calm down. My head in my hands now. Do I have what it takes to make you fall in love with me? Am I the real deal or just another one of those who fake it? Maybe I don't really know you. Maybe I don't really know myself. Let me what it takes to make you fall in love with me. Am I the real deal or just another one of those who fake it? Knee-jerk reaction is fight or flight. First sign of color, I run and hide. But you came like rain on a summer night, and I think you're rewiring my mind. I've been taking cover under my skin, but I wanna step outside and take it all in. 'Cause baby, it's like a light storm to be yours. Thunder crashing till the sky's torn. You're like a light storm, a light storm. Touching I'm on some kind of high. You're painting scenes on my storyline, so carry me where you like. I'm used to taking cover under my skin, but I wanna step outside and take it all in. 'Cause baby, it's like a light storm to be yours, finding freedom in the downpour. You're like a light storm, a light storm. Baby, it's like a light storm to be yours. Feelings flooding through the front door. You're like a light storm, a light storm. Un petit bout d'avenir sous ma peau belle et tranquille. Il écoute paisiblement les sons pas de longs désirs. On découvrira.
자, 오늘 영상 어떠셨나요? 재밌게 보셨을까요? 오늘은 다육이 이름도 알려드리면서 이제 물든 모습을 보여드리고 싶어서 영상을 찍어봤어요. 다음번에는 더 재밌고 유익한 영상으로 찾아뵐게요. 안녕.